Hello everyone, how are you? Fine? Welcome back to our which class? Yes, English class. English class of standard 1. Okay? Now, vacation is over. How you have spent your vacation? Just tell me. I want to know. I'm very excited. And what are the things that you have enjoyed doing? And I think some activities were there on campus here. And I think you have completed all those. At least some of the activities you have done. Have you enjoyed doing it? Fine, I know. You all are superb. And you will do all the works in time. Isn't it? Now, in our last video, I have given you a interesting homework from our application book. I can't remember the page. It was to write the menu list and guest list, isn't it? Of your birthday party. And I know all of you enjoy doing that because we are very excited for our birthdays. Even I also. I am very excited. What I will see, I have to make foods myself only, isn't it? But in your homes, your mother is preparing all the dishes that you like. But then also I'm excited. What I will make, what I will bake, what I like to eat, what I like to drink, everything. And I know you all are excited too. And you have done that homework. I'm very sure you have done that homework. And I'm excited to see that. What are the menu list? I love eating. And I'm excited to see what are the dishes that you like. Okay? Okay, fine. Let's come back to our today's class, isn't it? You know, students, today I'm facing one problem. I'm having some queries. Please help me, okay? I'm facing problems because I'm not sure that about the homes of animals. What is the names of their homes? But I know something that I can say you. Now you will judge whether I am right or wrong. Okay. Now first of all, see where we live and with whom we live. See, we live in a house with our family, mother, father, brother, sister, grandparents, everyone. Now, and what we do, we share all the moments of joy and sorrows with our family, isn't it? So, our house is a place where we live with our family and we are safe and protected. Protected in sense, protected from heat, cold, rain and also wild animals, isn't it? We are protected, if we are in home, we are protected from heat, cold, rain and wild animals. In the same way, the animals are also having their houses and they are also living with their young ones, their family. Now, I'm going to tell some of the names of some animals and their houses, and I'm not sure I am right or wrong. Okay, fine. See, where do cow lives? I think cow lives in a shed, isn't it? And the shed is made of, I think, bamboo, hay, sometimes asbestos also, isn't it? I think so. Now, where do dogs live? They live in kennel, and it is also made of wood, nails, nut bolts, something. And where do elephants live? They live in a forest, and forest is made of So many trees, plants, and many things are there. Many creatures are there, isn't it? Many wild animals are there. And where do snake lives? They lives in a hole. Am I right? You will tell me, okay? I'm right or wrong. This confusion what I was having. Now, tell me, where do birds live? Birds live in a nest. Have you seen a nest? Have you seen a nest? When I was very small, at that time in our school, there was one nest in that courtyard. I remember little. And if you have seen a nest, then just tell me. Okay? If you have seen a nest, then just tell me. How was the nest? How was the bird living there? What was the bird doing? Is there was any egg in the nest? Yes, okay, just tell me. Because I remember very little. I'm not sure about all that. Okay, so tell me if you have seen a nest. And you can see nest in pictures also, in different in books also there are many nests. But real nest, I want to know that if any one of you have seen a real nest. Okay. Now see, our house is made of what? Just I told you, cement, brick, rod, glass, many things are there. Now, do you know what are the materials used to build a nest? How birds they are building a nest? I remember only a little that the nest which I have seen in my school, some leaves were there. Some dried leaves were there. Now, I will give you one activity. See, I am drawing a wave chart, okay? A wave chart. Now, here, one circle, two, the center, then one, this side, one this side, this side. In center there is one circle and 4 circles are on all the 4 sides. Okay. Now here I am writing materials used to make a nest. Now what is the game here? See, I know only one thing that I have seen, that dried leaves, and I don't know what are the other things the bird used to make their nest. You have to find that and you have to write. Clear? I know you all will help me because I don't know. I don't know what are the other things. Just let me know. By writing this, I will come to know what are the other things the bird needs, isn't it? I don't know, beta. So in the first one, I am writing here leaves. These are dried leaves. Now other three things you have to write. What are the other 3 things that birds need to make their nest? Now this is in classwork we have done. I have written 1, and these 3 you have to do in your homework. Okay, in your homework. Clear? Now, today what I am going to say now, that in our next class we are going to start a new lesson. In the lesson there is a sparrow bird. Sparrow, and the sparrow is, in that lesson, the sparrow couple. It is a poem of a sparrow couple in which the sparrow is waiting for the sparrow couple is waiting for their young ones. Actually, they are having 4 eggs in their nest and they are eagerly waiting for their young ones to come out. Okay. So we are going to read this poem in our next class. But now what we will do, just take out your course book. Course book. Just take out your course book, English course book. This book. Just take it out. Take it out, everyone. Now see, you have taken out your book, course book. This is our English course book. This is our English course book. And take out page number 20. Page number 20. Chapter 4, Sparrow. Chapter 4, Sparrow, page number 20. Now, here, see, this is a I connect section. Always we are doing the I connect section first. Isn't it? In each and every chapter. So, what is the question? See, the bird has to return to its nest to take care of its egg. Help it reach the nest by finding a way through the maze. Now, see, here is a maze. Now, this is the bird and here is the nest. Now, you have to find the way, you have to find the path by which this bird will reach to its nest. So we have to start from here. Now like this. But I will not do the whole thing. This is also a homework. You have to do it yourself. Just find the way by which the bird will reach to its nest. Okay. See here 4 eggs are there. And naturally she is very depressed. She wants to reach to its nest because her young ones are there inside the egg, isn't it? So you have to do this one. You have to find the way. Clear? Now in our next class, we will read this poem. Okay, we will read this poem. See, they are the sparrow couple. They are waiting eagerly for their young ones, for their babies. Because the babies are inside these 4 eggs. And they are very waiting eagerly, isn't it? So, in our next class, we will read this poem and I will explain it to you. Okay? And the hard words also I will explain. So, this is your homework and you have to complete that web chat. Okay? You have to write 3 other things that are needed to make a nest. Clear to all? Okay, children. Bye-bye.